one-stop shop. We have nutrients that are water soluble. We have trimmers. We have dosatrons, nutrients. We do IPM. Our brewers, that's our flagship right here. We do genetics, THC, CBD seeds. Got some live ladybugs. We got some mantid egg cases, some assassin bugs, green lace leaves. We're doing great. We're at 148. You come visit. We'll be here.
So we're Factory 6. We're a contract manufacturer. We specialize in CBD products. We'll help you make the products to sell to your customers. We do our own distillation in-house so that we control the raw ingredient to help give the user experience and the final product a consistent experience every single time.
We're also very interested in helping farms. We want to help people vertically integrate their product. So if folks have a farm and they want to use their great process of getting crude or biomass, we can turn that into any myriad of products that they want to have.
So we are Sati CBD Soda. We're about a year and a half in business in 1,400 retail locations. And we're selling on Amazon with hemp soda. So we've got a functional CBD soda where it's not just sparkling water and CBD, we're actually adding functional ingredients, herbal extracts. We've got an energy soda right here that's 20 milligrams of caffeine, as compared to 160 milligrams in a cup of coffee, but you get the same kind of energy boost. We're using yerba mate, guayusa, and guarana seed extract with that. We've also got a mental clarity focused soda that's called Clarity. We use ashwagandha, L-theanine, and rhodiola. These are all herbal extracts that promote the mental clarity in the human body. Then we've got Ginger Chill. And so the Ginger Chill is a product that has kava and chamomile flower extract and of course ginger. So this is a relaxer. So like on college campuses, the kids are gonna take this to cram and stay up late. They're going to take this on test day to get mental clarity, and when they crash, they're going for Ginger Chill. So it's a 3 functional beverage concept, and we're loving it. We're selling like crazy and growing really fast.
Hey, I'm Joe. I'm with Hemp 3D. We're based out of Lincoln and Seward, Nebraska. What we do is we 3D print injection mold and machine press sunglasses, earrings. We've got some chest pieces that we do. Yeah, we're real excited. This is our first Norco Hemp Expo. It's been a blessing. So many people are just excited about what we're doing, and we're meeting great connections. We got our first model that's 100% hemp. Yeah, we're just getting better each year.
Yeah, hey, we're Patsy's Candies out of Colorado Springs, family owned since 1903. We've got 5 different flavors of chocolates, CBD and Delta 8, and both single serving and large bars as well. We also have chocolate and caramel infused popcorn. So yeah, feel free to come down and see us, check us out.
My name is Richard W. Bender. I've been a winemaker for 35 plus years. This is a book I wrote. I don't make wine from grapes, I make it from everything else. And I've been making cannabis wines for 15 years. I also ferment citrus and hot peppers together. And the book is available everywhere. You can get it at nearly any bookstore or Amazon or directly from me. But the book is gorgeous, full of pictures, has recipes for 145 different wines I've made. Only 4 of them are made from grapes. Last one I made from grapes is called Mary Jane's Grape.
My name is Reno Role Jr. with Boku Superfoods out here in Denver for the hemp conference, NOCO hemp conference. And we're an organic superfood blend. We do proprietary blends of whole food powders. Our flagship product is our Boku Superfood OG. It's got 55 different superfoods, including adaptogens, probiotics, enzymes, berries, medicinal mushrooms, you name it, all your micronutrients. We also have protein powders, like this one here is our vanilla protein powder. Over 19 grams of protein per serving, all vegan, triple source vegan, and all raw, kosher, organic, gluten-free. And we fully support hemp as a superfood. So that's what we do as a superfood company. And we're here to kick ass and make some good impressions.
We are hemp seeds. We have 11 different types of hemp seeds. They grow all over the country, different climates, elevations. This is where you get them. Cheyenne Mountain Seed Company. And we're glad we're here, even in these limited circumstances. But we can't take another year without NOCO. That's for sure.
I'm Lori. I designed the Mega Stripper. It strips, bucks the biomass or the smokable flower off of your hemp and cannabis plants. It's designed and manufactured in the United States.
So we're an LED lighting company based here in the United States out of Tennessee. And we provide LED lighting for commercial and home grows. And right now what we do is we source directly from Samsung, who's our partner, and we print all of our boards. We get all of our parts made locally here in the States, and then we ship everywhere.
I'm Floyd with Boku Seed Company. We're a seed and genetics company from Washington State. We breed different hemp varieties, as well as carry some some other folks' seeds on our seed bank as well.
Yeah, these are fun stuff because most of my artwork has stuff hitting in it. All these paintings here have different things in it. Words, bugs. This deck has just all these crazy characters, some of my favorite people. That's my favorite guy right there. The characters that I showed you, like I said, they're all Mile High Misfits. They're featured in these books over here. These are activity books. This is volume 4 of the adult activity books. And then there's this dark, sinister end of the world issue, which features all of our favorite, most hated characters, and I attack both sides vehemently in this book.
Hi, my name's Callie Mitchell. I'm with American Family Insurance, and we're here today at the NOCO Hemp Expo to provide information about insurance products as it relates to the hemp and CBD and cannabis industry, and also just to get some education on all the different products that are out there and have some fun.
Hello everybody, Frank Robinson Law Firm. This is the 6th NOCO I've attended. Most wonderful experience that you can participate in the hemp industry. I'm proud to be a part of this industry and proud to be a part of it for the next 30 years. So everybody, whenever NOCO happens, this is the place to be.